Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is hypocrite. It is pronounced Hypocrite and spelt Hypocrite. Think high, po, and then crit with an E on the end. A hypocrite is a person who says or does things they do not truly believe or that are contradictory to their actions. It's a person who acts in a way that is not consistent with their purported beliefs or values. For example, you could say, she was a hypocrite for claiming to care about the environment, but then, afterwards, throwing litter on the ground. Or, he was a hypocrite for pretending to be someone he wasn't. The word hypocrite comes from the Greek word hypokrites, which means actor or pretender. Being a hypocrite involves acting or behaving in a way that is not true. See the connection? In the Harry Potter book series, Professor Dolores Umbridge appears to be sweet and polite, but really she is ruthless and unjust in her treatment of others. She preaches about order and discipline and kindness, but uses cruel and unfair methods in reality. This contradicts her supposed values. She could be described as a hypocrite. Synonyms for hypocrite include fraud, phony, pretender, and deceiver. Antonyms for hypocrite are honest, genuine, and authentic. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, hypocrite. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.